In this video, I'll show you how to animate Roblox characters in Blender with simple steps, all in just 3 minutes. First, export the character you want to animate from Roblox Studio. Then import it into Blender. Now, we need a rig to animate our character. To do this, select your character, press Shift plus A, and choose Armature. My character was imported far from the origin, so I'll move it back to the center. You'll notice the rig is hidden inside the character. Let's make it visible. Select the armature, scale it if needed, then go to Viewport Display and enable In Front. Now we can see it clearly. Next, position the armature correctly, press Tab to go into Edit mode, select a bone, and press E to extend more bones as needed. When you're done, select your character first, then the armature. Press Ctrl plus P and choose with automatic weights. This links the mesh to the bones. Now switch to pose mode, and we can start animating. Make sure the timeline is open and turn on automatic keyframe recording. This way, Blender will create keyframes every time you move a bone. Press Shift plus left arrow to go back to the first frame. Select your armature, then press I to insert the first keyframe for the initial pose. From here, you can start creating your animation step by step. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.